Shiba Inu can reach ambitious price targets like $0.001 or $0.01 if its ecosystem team can implement specific initiatives. Several Shiba Inu investors have taken to social media to complain about SHIB's recent performance. Data from CoinMarketCap shows that SHIB has plummeted by 5.4% since the beginning of this year. The second biggest meme coin has also witnessed massive declines in the 7-day and 30-day charts, plunging by 12.1% and 8.49%, respectively. Currently, Shiba Inu is trading at $0.0000 to $0.008 per token, with a market cap of $11.82 billion, making SHIB the 17th biggest cryptocurrency globally. At the current price, 682,390 addresses, representing 47.60% of all Shiba Inu addresses, are at a loss, according to Into the Blocks data, while 52% of Shiba Inu holders, 719,640 addresses, are in profit. The remaining 2%, 31,540 addresses, are at break-even. Although several Shiba Inu holders are expressing their frustration with the token's performance on social media, others are taking solace in the positive projections issued for SHIB, particularly its potential surge to the $0.001 and $0.01 targets. Shiba Inu to $0.001 and $0.01 targets, with Shiba Inu trading at $0.0000 to $0.008, clinching the $0.001 target requires a surge of 4,880%. Hitting this target will take Shiba Inu's market cap to $589.25 billion. Despite the monumental surge required for Shiba Inu to reach this target, several experts still think the milestone can be achieved. In October, popular market observer Crypto Sheriff predicted that Shiba Inu has the potential to clinch the $0.001 target following the identification of a price breakout in the asset's 4-hour timeframe. Similarly, another crypto expert, Luxide, noted that factors such as increased whale activity and declining retail interests are preparing SHIB for a significant rally that could take its price to $0.001. On the other hand, reaching the highly anticipated 1 cent, $0.01 dream requires SHIB to surge 49,700% from the current price. At $0.01, Shiba Inu's market cap will stand at $5.89 trillion. Interestingly, Luis Delgado, popularly referred to as Dale CRXPTO, suggested that Shiba Inu could hit the 1 cent dream in its lifetime. The Shiba Inu marketing lead, Lucy, echoed the same sentiment, asserting that the $0.01 target could become a reality for SHIB someday. Only way Shiba Inu can hit $0.001 and $0.01 targets. While Shiba Inu has witnessed significant price surges in the past, hitting the $0.001 and $0.01 targets could be challenging due to SHIB's hefty circulating supply. Nonetheless, three major factors, such as burns, widespread adoption of Shibrium, and completion of all Shiba Inu-related projects, could drive SHIB to these price milestones. Aggressive SHIB burn. For Shiba Inu to rise to $0.001 or $0.01 targets, it must drastically reduce its circulating supply through aggressive burns. Currently, Shiba Inu has a circulating supply of 589.25 trillion. Incinerating a huge chunk of a token's supply is one major way to boost its price. Although Shiba Inu has already rolled out several burn initiatives, like Shibrium-powered burn, there is still a need to amplify these efforts so that SHIB has a chance to hit these $0.001 and $0.01 targets. The ecosystem can introduce more community-driven burn campaigns and partnerships that support SHIB incineration. Increased adoption of Shibrium. Shibrium, Shiba Inu's layer 2 blockchain, has a major role to play in helping the $0.001 and $0.01 targets become a reality. For this to happen, Shibrium must witness significant adoption similar to what is obtainable on blockchains like Ethereum and Solana. These blockchains have attracted developers, leading to the launch of popular decentralized applications, DApps. Shibrium, on the other hand, has lagged in adoption compared to Solana and Ethereum. This comes despite the fact that it offers cheap and fast transactions, making it the ideal blockchain for non-fungible tokens and other decentralized finance (DeFi) projects. Therefore, the team behind the Shiba Inu ecosystem must make significant efforts to lure developers to Shibrium, potentially exposing more crypto enthusiasts to ecosystem tokens like SHIB. As more projects launch on Shibrium, the network's transaction volume could increase, leading to more tokens being burned from SHIB's circulating supply. Completion of Shiba Inu ecosystem projects. Shiba Inu has several ambitious projects that could enhance the overall adoption of SHIB and drive its price to jaw-dropping targets like $0.001 or $0.01. However, most of these projects, such as SHIB, the Metaverse, Shiba Eternity, and SHIB Marketplace, are not fully operational. Although some have been completed, including Shiba Swap, others are undergoing testing or are still in development. If the team completes all projects within its ecosystem, it could attract new users who would adopt SHIB, potentially boosting its price to $0.001 or $0.01. Even though the road to $0.001 or $0.01 could be challenging, achieving these feats is not impossible. A combination of factors like increased Shibrium adoption, massive SHIB burns, and completing all Shiba Inu ecosystem projects could enhance SHIB's adoption and boost its price to these targets. Disclaimer: this content is informational and should not be considered financial advice. The views expressed in this article may include the author's personal opinions and do not reflect the Crypto Basic opinion. Readers are encouraged to do thorough research before making any investment decisions. The Crypto Basic is not responsible for any financial losses.